Holy Trinity Sunday. Gospel is taken from the Gospel of John, chapter 16, verses 12 to 15. Jesus said to his disciples, I have much more to tell you, but you cannot bear it now. But when he comes, the Spirit of truth, he will guide you to all truth. He will not speak on his own, but he will speak what he hears, and will declare to you the things that are coming. He will glorify me, because he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. Everything that the Father has is mine. For this reason I told you that you will take me from what is mine and declare it to you. He wields the sickle at once. For the parables he did not speak to them, but to his own disciples he explained everything in private. The Holy Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please like and subscribe.